Hi, I'm Joanna from Joanna's DIY Life, and it's funny, but some of you have never seen me. Some of you newcomers, you've never seen me. You just see my hands working on table and stuff, but here I am. I want to say thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you, and here's why. It may not seem like much to you, but I have finally reached 10,000 subscribers, and actually, that was Saturday. Okay, and I have surpassed that now. I am over 10,000 subscribers, and I'm tickled pink. You don't know the times that I've wanted to throw in the towel and just quit and give up because of harsh comments or, things in my life that weren't going just right. I've had a lot of sickness, I've had deaths, I've had family problems going on. There's a lot of things that's come against me, but there's people in my life, my kids, my husband, and my church family, a very, very dear friend of mine named Lisa, that I met through YouTube. They told me, don't quit. Just keep on. Just keep on and see what happens. And to be honest, I never thought that I would get over 100 subscribers. So every time I saw my numbers going up, I would get excited. But then there was a time that everything was at a standstill, and that's kind of, to be expected because of things. I kind of slacked off on videos because I couldn't do it. But even though I wasn't making videos, most of you stayed with me. You stuck with me. You would ask me. I would get emails. I would get messages. Are you okay? Are you all right? These are you. You correspond with me. There's friendships built here. And I love it. I love it. I appreciate the people that have reached out to me in troubles that I've had, as far as with my brother passing and things like that. I want you to know that I really appreciate you. Your words were so kind. I'm not going to get emotional, I promise. But you are so kind. And through my sickness, I'm a diabetic, and there's other things that come along with that, and it's just one thing after the other sometimes it seems like, but y'all have stood with me from the beginning. I told y'all I'm not going to cry. I'm not going to get emotional. I was going to do a live, but your girl cannot do a live. I can't do it because there's no telling what I would say. At least this I can edit, my ignorance out or whatever. But, I thank God for you. I really do. This journey has not been easy, and I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. You have kept me going. Because you're subscribing, you're interacting with my videos, and you're commenting, and you're sharing, and that helps my channel to grow. And it just, your response to me is overwhelming. I do have one thing that's kind of ironic. Someone always gives me a thumbs down on 98% of my videos, and that's okay, because you're actually helping. You're interacting with my videos. So as long as you're interacting, that's okay. But to that one person, I love you. Thank you. You might not want to help me, but you're helping me. So keep them thumbs down coming. Keep them thumbs ups coming, because you're helping your girl out over here. My husband has been a trooper through this whole thing with me crying and whining and just, and he has been a supporter, not only emotionally and praying for me, but financially. So, because this is not easy. It takes money, and he has invested in me and this, and I appreciate him so much. The first person to appreciate is the Lord, because without God, I couldn't have got this far. That's for sure. It's took a lot of praying, and it's God that's got me this far. I'm just a country girl from Tennessee, man, just doing what I do, and God had his hand in that, and you guys are amazing. I appreciate you. Some of you have asked for my address, And I do have a P.O. box in my description box down there. And I've had some, it's funny, ask for merch with my stuff on it. So this is one, but I made this one. I don't want to get into making shirts again because it's just too much on me. So I do have a link down there, or I think it's in there, where I have my merch. Just some shirts and things with what I say, my sayings on them and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that, that's down there, those of you that asked. And I'm all the time, ain't I? It's a habit, and it's nervousness. I've been on this thing for 3 years, I think, or going on 3 years, and I don't care. I still get nervous. That's why I can never do a live, because it would tear my nerves to pieces. But I'm going to say again, I appreciate each and every one of you. God bless you all. You are a blessing, and I thank you so much for being here for me and for helping me get through this and going this far. Until next time, you are a blessing. Goodbye.